Reverse carry trade on a knife's edge here, still waiting on oil. It's interesting to me to see the S&P downgrade Tether from a 4 to a 5. So it's actually the weakest rating that they can give a financial company. And Paulo came out and kind of, talked about why he thinks that is. But Tether is not transparent. They've been acquiring gold faster than any other central bank that's out there. They're not a central bank themselves, but like significantly more gold this last quarter than basically anybody else, which has obviously driven the price up of gold. We've seen a big move in gold here recently to the upside. A lot of people chasing that, a lot of people selling, a lot of people that have been holding gold for an extended period of time, taking profits on their gold. And, we've also had a big rise in BTC. Those two pieces make up a pretty good chunk of their balance sheet there at Tether, and they're not stable prices. So if they saw a large enough sell-off in Bitcoin or in gold, which I think both are imminent here with the reverse carry trade unwinding, and then we also don't know who holds their paper. They are, I think like the 16th largest holder of U.S. Treasuries. Is what's stated at this time. And so, obviously there's a big portion of the balance sheet that is made up by U.S. Treasuries, which is great. That is what, they've mandated here in the U.S. through the Genius Act. But I do think, this is kind of a canary in the coal mine type situation. For them to downgrade them like that, it makes me feel like they might know something that we don't. And, it went from like bad to worst. So I don't know what that means, but I do anticipate some issues with Tether that then, have implications for Bitcoin as well. And now that Bitcoin has systemic risk,